receiving $10 million, which was the second $10 million of a $20 million deal from PLS this morning, really doesn't change our financial position very much at all. In fact, we had $25 million in the bank before this, but what it does do, of course, is shore up our bank balance to basically take the Mount York Gold Project probably all the way through to a final investment decision. And that's the important thing. We have financially de-risked this project moving forward. We know it's a project that can make a lot of money at a much lower gold price than today. And what we're doing now is really developing the strategy to show the market that this can be a really robust gold project in future. But to do that, of course, you need money, and receiving the next 10 million or the last 10 million in the bank account on Friday afternoon was really wonderful. And that is also not diluting shareholders either. We've been extremely busy in 2025. We embarked on the largest drill program in the company's history on this asset. We said we would drill 30,000 meters of drilling. In fact, we completed about 27,000 meters in December this year, and all that drilling was done extremely safely. What that does do is give us all the information now to move that into a new resource estimation for the project. So we anticipate bringing out a new resource. Remember, we're at 1.4 million ounces currently, but every time we drill this project, the resources go up. And I think what I've seen in the quality of the drill results is certainly that it's going to be viewed very positively in the next resource estimation that we anticipate coming out in first quarter, certainly in the first half of this year. So that's one bit of good news, but you'll also see on our website is that we have announced that the NAML Native Title Mining Agreement was signed to help develop this project forward and de-risk. And also in early January, we were awarded our mining lease. So that also de-risks the project and also gives us a strategy that, yep, we're moving forward with development on this project. And certainly 2026 this year has already started out to be a very, very busy year for us as well. Certainly, it's going to be another busy year, and it started off already to be a very busy year for us. We announced the acquisition of Trek Metals' Pinkuna project, which is a project that adjoins the Mount York Gold Project. There are some really nice looking drill hits on that project, and we hope to drill that project in 2026, as well as drilling extra positions along the 4.2 kilometers of mineralization of the Mount York Gold Project. So certainly drilling is going to be a large component of what we do this year, but also we're kicked off on the PFS. We've kicked off on that this year, and we anticipate that we certainly would like to try to finish that by year end. And again, that would look at optionality for mining the project and also put the board really in the position of looking at options to develop the project into 2027 and beyond.